the secrets to offering business loans fast. Look, during today's training, we're going to talk about everything you need to know about being a successful business loan broker. Look, maybe you're just getting into the space of offering business credit and financing. Maybe you're already in the space, but have failed to actually reach the growth level that you'd like to reach. During today's training, we're going to decode everything you need to know about the lucrative, very lucrative industry of offering business credit and financing for your clients. And by the end of this training, you're going to know everything that's involved. You're even going to know the shortcuts to be able to get started and start making money quickly and be able to get the best results for your clients. Look, we got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. So let's talk about offering business credit and financing, the industry as a whole. Why would you want to do this? Well, first of all, as I mentioned, it's very, very lucrative. Like the FTC has all kinds of income disclosures where I don't want to say the specifics of how much you can make because it's different on your scenario. But the bottom line is a lot of people are doing 7 and 8 figures plus in this industry. So it's very lucrative for a lot of different reasons. First of all, it's what business owners want. One of the main core things that every business owner needs is capital, whether it be to start the business, expand, grow, create another location. They need access to money. And when you're in this industry, you're actually solving a really big problem that business owners have. Plus, it's recession-proof. It doesn't matter if the economy is doing really well, where business owners are growing fast and they need more money for expansion, or the economy's not doing well, where more businesses are created. It's like a hockey stick growth of business creation when the economy's bad. More people decide to stop working for the man and start working for themselves. So actually, when the economy's bad, we get more business offering business credit and financing. And even when it's great, you're still busy because there's a lot of expansion happening. At the exact same time, it's really, really rewarding. Look, when you have a business owner that you help get money and they go out there and solve all kinds of problems and help hundreds or thousands of people, and then they employ tens of people, hundreds of people, you're part of that. You feel the reward. You get the text, you get the emails, you get the phone calls of appreciation of how much you had an impact helping them reach their dreams. So it's very fulfilling. It's recession-proof. It's very lucrative as well. And these are just some of the many, many, many benefits that offering business credit and financing provides, including the fact that it's a great primary or secondary service. Maybe you're already selling something else. Maybe you already have another business, but you deal with business owners and people that want to start businesses. You can kind of bolt this on as a secondary service. And a lot of times, business owners then switch over and make this the primary service because they can see how rewarding it is and it's easy. If you have a clear path forward, it's really easy to get the clients that you need to be successful because all you have to do is start telling people that you're in the space of helping business owners get money. And when you do that one thing, you'll be shocked at how many people say, I own a business, I want to start a business, I'd like to learn more, or I've got a friend that needs your exact help, can I get you two connected? It's easier than many other industries to be able to get the clients that you need to be successful because what you're selling is so popular, it's in so high demand. Look, I could sit here for 2 hours and go through all the benefits of offering business credit financing, but I hope that little bit gives you an idea of why you'd want to be in the industry. Now let's talk a little bit about the complexities and how to overcome those complexities of being in the industry. First of all, if you're going to get in the business of offering business financing, you need to get set up with lenders. And that's one of the obstacles that you'll overcome. Now, don't worry. During this training, I'm going to talk about a lot of the obstacles. I'm going to be real with you and talk about a lot of the obstacles you're going to need to overcome to get into the business credit and financing space. But I'm also going to give you a very fast, easy path at the end of this training that's going to help you quickly overcome all of these obstacles. So don't feel too overwhelmed. But the first thing you need to keep in mind is you got to get set up with lenders. And that's one of the obstacles you're going to run into because there's over 10,000 fintech online lenders out there, and you're going to have to find the best 5 or 10 to choose from. They all offer a different type of funding program. There's over 40, 50, 60 different types of loan programs that are out there. They all specialize in different industries, different types of risk. And even if you get an idea of the lenders you need to work with, you still need to get approved. There's still credit checks involved. There are still other guarantees and signatures that you're going to need to provide. There's other documents that you're going to need to sign, and you're going to need to get accepted. Look, nowadays, lenders don't want to work with newbie brokers. They don't want to work with people that do a deal here and a deal there. They choose to work with what are called super brokers. And super brokers are like companies like Credit Suite, where we do a lot of different financing. We know what we're doing. We have processing teams, and we send them complete files that make it easier for them to do their job. So there's a lot involved, but you need to know that finding your top 5 or 10 lenders and narrowing down the programs you want to offer is one of the first crucial steps you're going to want to take to break into this industry. Now, to help do that, you're also going to need to know the kind of programs you want to offer. Look, a lot of loan brokers in the space offer one type of financing. Maybe they offer financing only based on a business having consistent cash flow, or credit-based financing, or what's called credit card stacking, where it's only for people with good credit, or only SBA loans. A lot of brokers in the space have a specialty where they focus on one type of funding, not the rest. So you need to know what kind of funding you want to get into. Are you going to offer all types of financing? Who are the best lenders in all of those industries or verticals? Or are you just going to offer one or two types of financing? Cash flow financing, merchant cash advances, credit lines. You want to find the specialized kind of financing you want to offer and then work to find the lenders within that industry. The other thing you're going to need to do is market your business. Look, although it is fairly easy to get clients to be able to offer loans to, you still need to know how to get them. You're still going to need marketing flyers and PowerPoints and videos and create social media channels. You're going to want to have some kind of back office to actually manage your clients as well as know the training of how to understand funding and understand the lenders to work with and everything that's involved. So you're going to want to make sure that you have the resources you need to actually promote and grow your business. And yet one more aspect that you're really going to want to know is what secondary, ancillary, or other additional services you're going to offer clients. Look, as a loan broker, somebody that's helping business owners get loans, you're oftentimes going to find that about 9 out of 10 people you talk to, they're not going to qualify for a typical loan. So what do you do with those 9 out of 10? If you just say no and don't help them, then it's going to be a really tough time building a 7-8 figure business. So in order for you to really succeed, you're going to have to get good at offering other products and services to those people that can't qualify. The best example of this is business credit. Business credit's a phenomenal solution that a lot of loan brokers use because the majority of business owners they're talking to don't qualify for financing, but they can almost all qualify for business credit. So being able to add a service like business credit into the mix where you're able to actually offer a service that can help everybody, and the people that do get financing, business credit's an add-on where it's an upsell where you can make even more money. And then for people that can't get financing, you're actually able to offer business credit as an alternative solution. So this is very important for you to be able to monetize on the nearly 90% of business owners that you're not going to be able to directly help with the loan programs that you actually choose to offer. Now look, in this training, I've just been very real with you. The reality is it's very lucrative to get into the space of offering business credit financing. But I'm also here to tell you what all the gurus online that try to sell you expensive programs and try to convince you that this is really simple don't tell you, that there's a lot of complexity involved. So that being said, how do you get the easiest path forward? Well, actually, if you go to the link in the description of this training, you're going to be able to find exactly what you need. First of all, there's a great ebook that maps out the things you need to know to break into this industry. And you can also get a finance assessment with our team to talk more about our partner program. Now, the great news about our partner program is, well, it overcomes every obstacle we discussed today. At Credit Suite, we work with every main type of business funding program that's out there today. Every legitimate type of financing that works for a business owner, we actually have access to. And when you work with us, you have access to all funding sources. You don't have to find the lenders. You don't have to find the programs. You don't have to get the licensing that's needed. We've done all of that for you. Plus, you get access to a back office. You get access to the marketing materials, the PowerPoints, the videos, the webinars, everything you need to actually launch your business right away. Even the website that you need to actually be able to launch the business. Plus, you get access to an entire partner success team, and the partner success team has one mission, which is to help you successfully offer business credit and financing as a service. Plus, you get the added benefit of the main secondary service that so many loan brokers provide, which is business credit. So our team actually helps build business credit, and it automatically gives you an extra service to be able to provide to the clients that can't qualify and the ones that do to help you even maximize the lifetime value of your clients. So we have an entire team that will help you. We help you through the process of getting business credit and financing for your business. You have access to technology, a back office, a 7-step training to be able to get everything you need to succeed, a whole community and a team that's entire mission is to help you through the process of succeeding in this industry all in one place. And all you need to do to see if it's the right fit for you is access the finance assessment in the description of this training, or give us a call at 877-600-2487, or schedule your consult online at creditsuite.com/consult. If you got value from this training, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business and how to successfully offer business credit financing for your clients.